Hello everyone. First time tuning in. I'm Chris, and this is piasprojects. Alright, so I sort of jumped into it thinking it was going to be a fairly quick project today, but needless to say, as soon as you think that, you know it's not. I've been having issues with the Joker. Yeah, whenever I put the key in and start it, the radio wasn't coming on. Right now the battery's all disconnected. So everything points to this ignition switch, okay? Well, it's right here, you know, back here. I thought maybe unplug, slide out, slide in. It's not the case. So I've disconnected everything. And by everything, I mean everything. As in, this goes here. These go underneath into the turn signal column. The steering wheel is off. This is into the stock as well. The yellow's if I had a airbag. I do not. But now I got to this point. Well, I can't do anything because I needed a puller. I talked to Gus because I know he had to recently do this to his variant, and I just need to verify what tool I needed. I have pullers. I do not have this. Now I have this. I would have driven my Silverado, but it's making a very loud ticking noise now. So that's a later problem to figure out. So I need to have at least one reliable daily driver, right? So fixed the Joker. When I went to go get parts, took the motorcycle because it's the only thing I have that's running fairly right. Good news, check engine lights off on it. Now I have the tool. I will set it up and begin to pull this, pull everything, and we'll go from there. And there we go. Bearing pulled. There's a spring. You do need to take this ring off. Okay. This ring. Oh, there we go. And then voila. Now, there's a little screw. Let's see if that focuses. Yep. Take this out. Swap it. Should be good to go. Yeah, you can sort of tell that that's sort of wallered out, which is probably why things aren't working the way they should. All right, slap this back together. All right, when you slide this on, again, don't forget the key to unlock the column. Otherwise, it would just stop right here. Now, you can push it the rest of the way. Nice. Okay. There's this little screw right here. I mean, I used vice grips because I thought I needed something tight, but literally you can put them in there to tighten it, but there's no head or fitting on it. I assume I'll be able to drive that in with the nut. I just going to assemble everything else. 3 screws to put the column on. So the smaller one up top, and then put the larger one in here. I'm pretty sure. It's the same thing. It's the smaller one in the back. So the release tabs are on the bottom, because up top it's just a rigid clip, and they should clip right in. So before I take it or finish assembling everything, I am going to connect the battery, make sure it fires up the way it's supposed to. Well, door horn works. That's good. So the radio's in safe mode. Let me change the code real quick, and then we'll try it all out. But I came right up to the PSI I'm supposed to. Might have fixed it. Alright, took me a minute because I had to find the code. Works like it should. Yeah, I'm just gonna set time, button this up, and then we'll be back in business. Alright, steering wheel is on. It pushed the sleeve all the way back. Okay, and now put the clamshell. So push the top piece down. The bottom one. Oh, come on. All right. So connect the horn. There we go. Push it in. Well, Joker's fixed. I'll be on daily driver duties for a bit. All A lot of work for just, whew, for a little switch, right? But that's how it is, right? Sometimes it's always the small things that just give us a lot of trouble. I appreciate everyone sticking around with me for the last few weeks. Waiting for some final pieces to finish banana pudding and the beetles being worked on in the garage. Appreciate everyone's continued support. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, there's always a solution.